Bosch has been a trusted partner in public address systems for over 90 years. Now Bosch introduces PRAESENSA, an evolution in public address and voice alarm systems that meets the changing needs of building owners, system integrators, installers, and operators. PRAESENSA is IP-based and fully featured with every device connected via the network. It's controlled using Omnio Media Networking Architecture, providing music, messages, and announcements where and when they are required. PRAESENSA has built-in redundancy for critical functions, with no single point of failure. Zones can be easily added or extended when needed, and when specific area needs are changing during the day, zones can be individually adjusted. Power partitioning across amplifier channels enables you to use the amplifier's power more effectively, adapting to each loudspeaker load. The result? Fewer amplifiers are needed, saving on power consumption and backup batteries. The call station displays everything clearly and simply, making operation more intuitive and less complicated, showing what and where it is playing and when it is finished. To empower you with optimal control everywhere, a powerful software solution for any PC or tablet device is included. PRAESENSA bridges the gap between installers, venue owners, and system integrators, using the benefits of IP connectivity and the latest technology for easy installation, cost efficiency, and a great user experience. One system, endless options for today and tomorrow. PRAESENSA, IP connected and fully featured.